I don't even know where to start. Reddit. I'm 34F, married to my husband, 36M, for 7 years. We've always been a team, or at least I thought we were. But lately, it feels like I'm pouring my heart into a void, and I'm not sure how much longer I can keep this up. My husband is a software engineer, and he's really good at his job. He's been working on this big project for months, and it's consumed him. He's always been passionate about his work, which I love about him, but it's like I've become invisible. I've been trying so hard to show him I care, to make his life easier, but it feels like he doesn't even notice. Every morning, I wake up early to make his favorite coffee, black, 2 sugars, in his favorite mug with the goofy pixelated heart I got him for our anniversary. I pack him a lunch with little notes tucked inside. Stuff like, "You've got this?" or "Thinking of you." I even started learning about his work so I could ask him meaningful questions like, "How's that database optimization going?" Or, "Did you figure out that bug you were stressed about?" I thought it'd show him I'm invested in his world. At home, I've been picking up the slack. I do the dishes, handle the laundry, even mowed the lawn last week because he was too swamped to notice the grass was practically a jungle. When he comes home, I try to give him space to unwind, but I'll ask about his day or suggest we watch a movie together. Something low-key, you know. But he's always glued to his laptop, muttering about one more email, or just need to fix this code. Sometimes he doesn't even eat the dinner I made until it's cold, and I find him passed out at his desk at 2 a.m. Last weekend was the breaking point. It was our anniversary, and I planned a whole evening. His favorite Italian takeout, a bottle of the wine we had on our first date, and a scrapbook I spent weeks making, filled with memories from our relationship. I thought it'd remind him of us, of what we used to be. I told him a week in advance to keep the evening free, and he promised he would. But when the day came, he texted me at 5 p.m., "Stuck at work. Emergency bug. Rain check." I sat there alone at the table, staring at the candles burning down, feeling like an idiot. When he got home at midnight, I tried to talk to him. I wasn't even mad, just sad. I said, "I feel like I'm trying so hard to show you I love you, but you don't see it." He looked confused, like I was speaking another language. He said, "I'm doing this for us, babe. This project could mean a promotion, more money for our future." I get that, I do. But what about now? What about me? He apologized, said he'd make it up to me, but the next day it was back to the same routine. I found the scrapbook untouched on the coffee table, buried under his work papers. I don't think he even opened it. I'm not asking him to quit his job or stop caring about his career. I just want to feel like I matter, too. I've tried talking to him, but he either gets defensive or promises to do better and then doesn't. I'm starting to wonder if I'm being unreasonable, or if this is just what marriage becomes after a while. Am I overreacting? How do I get through to him without making him feel attacked? I love him so much, but I'm so tired of feeling like I'm in this alone.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a twist. Stay tuned to Reddit Tales Times for your daily dose of drama, laughs, and unbelievable stories.